Have you ever seen CSS selectors like this? When I first started my career, I used to do the same thing. But over time I realized it's really hard to maintain. Whenever you need to override styles, you end up adding more and more selectors, which makes things messy. It's easy to break too. Imagine you change a div to a section. Suddenly, your selector doesn't work anymore. Sure, you can say, just use classes, but often we aim to create reusable components. And when you move these components to another place, you lose those selectors. Another downside is reusability. As I mentioned, if you create isolated styles, it becomes much easier to reuse them later. Maintaining these long selectors can make your files look terrible. Instead, try to keep them as short as possible. We have many solutions for this, like BAM, CSS Modules, or CSS-in-JS, etc. But the main idea is to help you write isolated CSS. Sometimes you will need to override something, and that's okay. Adding just one extra selector is much better if you already have a good approach. This is a common mistake for junior developers. When I see this kind of code during a code review or in the projects, it really bothers me. Let's improve our CSS by using fewer selectors and keeping things clean. That's all for today's video. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.